Welcome to Joe's Garage. Today what I'm going to be doing is reviewing and installing this E-Autogrilles tailgate table for a Jeep JK 2007 to 2018 it says. Not sure, I'm pretty sure it'll fit the 2007 to 2015, 16. But anyway, didn't look like there was any reviews when I got this, and I haven't seen one out there, so it looks like it just got released. I'm gonna unbox this, see what I think. I'll let you know, and then I'll probably have a separate video showing the install on my Jeep. So look out for that. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. We'll go and get this started. Okay, so I'm unboxing this tailgate table, and this is the actual table piece here. You'll see it kind of has a Jeep grill, which is pretty cool. Has these holes, so I don't know. I'll have to check if a can actually fits in there or it'll fall right through. But this is made out of steel, so it's a little bit heavy. I know one of the other tables I've seen out there are made out of aluminum, and so I think the total package was about 11 pounds. So it kind of heavy to add an additional weight to your tailgate. So we'll see how it goes. Comes with key inserts, so you will need a tool to install those. Looks like some rubbery bump stops. I'll go and take all that hardware out when I start to install it. And then this is the actual piece that gets mounted to the back of your tailgate. The wires that holds some of the other tailgate tables you see out there, which I thought would be a better design this way, but we'll see how it works out. So this is the way it would mount. The clip in here and then fold out like that, and that's your shelf. They come with instructions, parts list, as well as pictured instructions. I'll go ahead and go through that and see how that works out, but we'll go from there. Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you the final install of this E-Autogrill tailgate tabletop. Took me about half an hour to install. It's made out of a steel material. It has a kind of a powder coated rough finish, kind of what you find on aftermarket bumpers and so forth. Has this really cool Jeep design here, and they also have their logo laser etched in their cutout. Uses a solid steel structure and 2 latches to hold it in place, like that. Okay. They're undoing the latches, you just roll the thing down, and pretty secure. Doesn't have any wires that connect it from here to there like you see on some of the other designs. Uses this metal brace across the bottom to hold the tabletop up. I guess you could probably put about 30-50 pounds on here if need be. The only thing I can see, I like this cool Jeep grill design on it, but these hole cutouts, you can see, doesn't really fall right through there. So maybe I'll put some kind of little cup holder deal in there, but same thing with your beers, it doesn't really hold the beer. And actually, I guess it has like a somewhat of a bottle opener here if you wanted to use it that way. But there you go. So if you like this video, please give me a like, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing some more of these types of videos. Thanks for watching.